Hi everyone, welcome to the add-ons. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the form locker for Elementor Forms, a powerful tool that lets you restrict or protect access to your forms. With this plugin, you can lock a form using different methods like password protection, email and age verification, scheduling, or even user login, so you control exactly who can fill out your form and when. Here's a quick demo. I have a form on my page, but as you can see, it's locked. In this example, I'm using password protection. When I enter the correct password and click Submit, the form becomes visible and ready to fill out. Another example, I'm using email verification. When I enter my email, I will receive the link in the email to view the form and fill it out. Open the email to see the link. Click here and the form is visible. Alright, now let's see how to set it up. First, make sure you've installed and activated the form locker for Elementor Forms plugin. Then open your page in Elementor. Select your form widget. And in the Actions after Submit panel, add the action called Locker. Once you do that, a new section called Form Locker will appear below. Here you will see several lock methods to choose from: password protection, email verification, age verification, scheduling, logged in users only. Let's go through them one by one. If you want to protect your form with a password, simply choose password as a lock method. Enter your desired password, for example 123456, and insert message that appears above the password. You can use this message to guide visitor or explain why the form is protected. Now, when visitors access your page, they'll have to enter the correct password before the form appears. Let's give it a try. I'll type in the password, and once it's correct, the form will unlock and become visible. Next, let's try email verification. Choose email as the lock method. Correct the message. Publish and have a preview. In this mode, users enter their email address first. The plugin will send them a verification link, and once they click it, the form automatically unlocks. And then open my inbox to check for the verification link. Once I click that link, the form should unlock right away. And the next one, let's look at the age verification. This method asks users to enter their birthday before they can view the form. You can set a minimum, maximum, or equal age. For example, I set minimum 18 years old. Edit the message. Save and have a look. Let's test it out. If the user doesn't meet the requirement, they'll see the message like, "Sorry, you don't meet the age requirement." And if you are over 18, the form will be unlocked. This feature is great for forms related to age-restricted services, alcohol sales, or adult content. Now let's set up scheduling. This option allows you to control when your form is visible. You can define a start date, end date, and time. For example, set the form to open on October 1st at 3 p.m. and close on October 4th at 8 a.m. Save and see. Right now it's October 8th, so the form is already outside the scheduled period. That means it's automatically closed and can be accessed anymore. It's perfect for limited time events or promotion. Let's try another example. I'll set the end time to October 11th at 8 a.m. Since we're within the scheduled time, the form is now accessible. And finally, the last one, logged in users only. If you only want logged in users to access your form, toggle the button on. If enabled, your form will only be visible to logged in users. If users don't have an account in your site or just aren't logged in at the time, they won't be able to see the form. This is ideal for membership-sized internal feedback forms or client-only forms. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Form Logger for Elementor Forms to protect and control access to your form. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.